Did you know that 90% of people who buy gym memberships quit within the first 3 months? But what if I told you that some of the most ripped athletes in the world never touched a single weight? Welcome to the world of calisthenics, where your body becomes your gym and your living room transforms into a powerhouse training facility. I'm about to show you exactly how to build serious muscle, burn fat, and develop incredible strength using nothing but your body weight. And the best part? You can start right now wherever you are with zero equipment and zero excuses. But here's what nobody tells you about calisthenics. It's not just about doing random push-ups and hoping for the best. There's a science to it. A progression system that can take you from complete beginner to performing moves that will make people stop and stare. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap that eliminates all the guesswork. Let's start with why calisthenics is absolutely crushing traditional weightlifting right now. First, it's completely free. No monthly fees, no commute, no waiting for equipment. Second, it builds what we call functional strength. Every movement trains multiple muscle groups working together, just like in real life. Third, you develop incredible body control and coordination that you simply cannot get from machines. But here's the secret sauce that most people miss. Calisthenics forces you to master your own body weight before adding external load. This creates a rock-solid foundation that prevents injuries and builds authentic strength from the ground up. Now, before we dive into the exercises, we need to talk about the biggest mistake beginners make. They jump straight into advanced moves like muscle-ups and handstand push-ups, get frustrated when they can't do them, and quit within a week. Don't be that person. Calisthenics follows a progression pyramid. You start with basic movements, master them completely, then advance to harder variations. This progression system is what separates successful calisthenics athletes from those who give up early. Let's build your foundation with the essential beginner movements. These 6 exercises will target every major muscle group and prepare your body for advanced skills. First up, the push-up. But not just any push-up. Start with incline push-ups using a couch, chair, or wall. The higher the surface, the easier the movement. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, lower slowly, and push back up with control. Master 15 perfect reps before moving to regular push-ups. Next, we have squats. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, sit back like you're sitting in a chair, keep your chest up, and drive through your heels to stand. Your knees should track over your toes, never caving inward. Start with bodyweight squats and work toward 25 clean repetitions. Third exercise, the plank. This builds your core foundation for everything else. Start on your knees if needed, then progress to a full plank from your toes. Hold the position without letting your hips sag or pike up. Begin with 30-second holds and build to 2 minutes. Fourth, we need to work your pulling muscles with inverted rows. Use a table, grab the edge, walk your feet forward until your body is angled, and pull your chest to the table. This prepares you for eventual pull-ups. No table? Use towels under a door. Fifth exercise, lunges. Step forward into a deep lunge, keeping your front knee over your ankle and back knee hovering just above the ground. Push back to starting position and repeat on both sides. This builds single leg strength and stability. Finally, dead bugs for core control. Lie on your back, arms pointing to the ceiling, knees bent at 90 degrees. Lower opposite arm and leg slowly, maintaining contact between your lower back and floor. This exercise teaches core stability and movement. Here's where things get interesting. Once you can perform these movements with perfect form, we start manipulating variables to increase difficulty. For push-ups, move from incline to regular to decline to diamond push-ups. For squats, progress to jump squats, pistol squats, or single leg variations. The key is progressive overload without weights. We achieve this through leverage changes, range of motion modifications, tempo adjustments, and unilateral training. Each progression should feel challenging but achievable within 4 to 8 weeks of consistent practice. Let's talk programming. As a beginner, train 3 days per week with rest days between sessions. Your workout should include 1 upper body push, 1 upper body pull, 1 lower body, and 1 core exercise. Start with 3 sets of your maximum reps with good form, resting 90 seconds between sets. Consistency trumps intensity every single time. Better to do 15 minutes daily than 2 hours once per week. Your body adapts to regular stimulus, not sporadic heroic efforts. Here's a mindset shift that changes everything. View each workout as practice, not punishment. You're practicing movement patterns, building strength gradually, and developing skills that will serve you for life. This removes pressure and makes training enjoyable. Common beginner mistakes to avoid. Don't skip warm-ups. 5 minutes of arm circles, leg swings, and light movement prevents injuries. Don't sacrifice form for reps. Quality always beats quantity. Don't compare yourself to advanced athletes on social media. Focus on your own progression journey. Track your progress religiously. Write down reps, hold times, and how exercises feel. This data shows improvement when motivation dips. Celebrate small wins because they compound into major transformations. Your homework starts today. Pick 3 exercises from what we covered, perform them with perfect form, and record your numbers. Tomorrow, do it again. Next week, add 1 more rep or hold for 5 more seconds. In 3 months, you'll be amazed at your transformation. Remember, every calisthenics master started exactly where you are now. The only difference between them and you is they took action and stayed consistent. Your journey begins with your very next rep. Hit that subscribe button if this helped you, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll cover intermediate progressions that will blow your mind.